Hi guys, it's Tony from Tony's RC Tech. So as you can see on my last video, I upgraded a Gptoys S911. So as you can see, it's been upgraded. You wouldn't think it was the same truck. So anyway, I think it looks quite cool. I want to see how this goes. As you see in my last video, the wheels, tyres on that one just going everywhere. Couldn't even get it to go in a straight line. So I'm just trying to get this in a straight line, if I'm honest with you guys. And I'll show you my pins there. Push the rods through and push the pins through there. So now the body is proper secure. And yeah, so it's an alternative little way, like, but it should work. Just let me show you this before it crashes and burns. Yeah, so I got these tyres from eBay. Thin one on the back, fat one on the back. I think it was either £6.50 or £8.50. I'm not too sure. But yeah, just show you this now. I hope this is coming along on the video. Someone's going to click this back up again. 1, 2. I think that's it. I'm not sure. So let me have a little go with this first here. So it's working there. Across the grass. So across the grass there. Alright, so I'll have a little go with this. I think there's a car actually outside, so I'll just have a little go on this fence here. It's only a little one anyway. It's a van. So, oh yeah, it goes in a straight line. Oh well, sort of. Right, it's well faster. Again, I can't really do it here, but it's alright though. Oh, I'll get in. Wait for this fan to go away and then I've got more room. Oh, look at that! That's fantastic. Tell you what, these wheels now are proper better grip on these. I think they were £8.50 from eBay. Tell you what, it looks good. Oh, it crashes! That's because I wasn't looking where I was going. Again, I hope this is coming on the video. I don't know if it is. Well, that's it really, guys. Just check it's working. And it is. It's a straight line. As you can see. Straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. Yep, straight line. I couldn't even get it to go in a straight line before. So anyway, here it is, guys. GP S911 upgrade. I like it. I like it a lot. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, I don't know if you can see that. I hope I've got it on video. I hope I've captured it all. So anyway, if you like, please subscribe. Try my best with all this. It's all new to me. So I don't know if I can see that. We're there. Over and out. We're there. Oh, yeah, I think I've got it now. Anyway, so I'm still trying this head cam thing out. So I don't know actually. It's harder when you don't know what you can actually see. So there it is, the Gptoys S911, guys. Right, over and out. Catch you later.